This is the Right Car Solutions silicone license plate holder. And you can get it on Amazon. I think it was like $8. And it does a good job of eliminating vibrations when you close the trunk, or if you have a subwoofer installed and you're getting some crazy vibrations. This does a good job, easy to install. And I mean, you could use Dynamat on the back of your license plate, but that can get messy. So what I also like about this one is you have the drain holes at the bottom. So if you live somewhere where it rains or snows, you don't have to worry about water accumulating. It's very easy to install. I would recommend using gloves and maybe a plastic pry tool, because the license plate is sharp and you don't want to hurt yourself. But it's fairly easy to install. I'm gonna see if I can quickly do this right here, and I'll show you how easy it is to put it in. The corners you have to give it some force, so just take your time. Again, be careful. And what we'll do is I'll probably include some before and after videos of how it sounds, give you an idea. So you can already tell you don't get that metallic noise. But if I grab my tools, let's see if we can install this thing real quick. Typically you just have the two holes. You just have to line them up. All right, I'm just hand tightening these bolts. That should be good there. That should be good there. All right, let's test it out. All right, that's it. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video.